Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I'm giving you demonstration how to scan the document without install any extra addition app with using your iPhone. Some apps are defaults iPhone giving you, and you can use those features and enjoy. Two apps are available on iPhone. You can use those apps and scan the document very smartly. First is this is a file folder is there. This is a default folder available on every iPhone. After enter, the three dots are come top of the screen, and then look at this one, scan document, connect to server and edit. So right now I scan the document here. So this is my document and I scan this document just to capture like photo wise, and I set where to where I'm select this particular image. So I select this one and then keep scan. So this is my keep scanning. I can change this color like color, gray color, black and white, and photos. So I go with gray color, and you can retake options also available, and then again scan this document. So I scan the document, keep scan. I can change this one gray color and done, and then save. So where I want save this particular the scan documents, three options are there. Otherwise I can store this scan document in my Google Drive. It's very simple. You can use these features and solve a problem, because of nowadays every people are removing Chinese apps. So find the solution how to scan the document without using Chinese app. So next applications are there. This is a note options are there. Options of my iPhone device is default, and then here options are available. Camera signs is there. You click this camera signs and scan the document first is, and then I scan the document. So clarity, look at this, the clarity is a fantastic. Automatically the cover the whole page of the document. Keep scan, and after keep scan save this document, and this look at this document, and then you can zoom in, zoom out, and clarity is a fabulous. Whole page are scanned, and after scanning you can share whatever you want. Share this like airdrop, telegram, messenger, WhatsApp, Gmail, messenger. You can share whatever you want, and several options are providing this note application. And this application is a default in iPhone or any related of Mac operating system. You can use those features iPad mini, iPad Pro, and any kind of iPhone and Mac devices. It's very simple. So friends, don't use any Chinese app, and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.